Another thing to note with that vehicle to load charging, again, that is just during an outage. That's vehicle to home load. So again, maybe you've got one or two batteries and you've got a massive 100 kilowatt hour battery bank in your EV. During that outage, you could plug your EV in and have kind of add a massive battery bank to your backup system. But that is only for grid outages. That is not for when the grid is functioning. And that goes for any manufacturer that has V2L charging these days. It is not yet grid interactive, so you're not going to be using your EV to sort of maximize consumption while the grid is operating. So they've come out with a new generator module if you're someone trying to integrate a generator or that EV into your Franklin system. One thing that they've done is they've integrated the generator CTs. In the past model of Agate, the only manually installed CTs for most systems was those generator CTs, and that's just one more point of installer error. So in this case, they've integrated those CTs into the generator module so that it just eliminates one more form of human error. Another thing they have done is they've removed the need to connect that generator module to the smart circuits when you have something like a utility sense generator. That used to kind of take up one of those precious smart circuits if you're integrating a utility sense generator into the system, but that's no longer the case. It's completely separate now. You're always going to have your extra two smart circuits, even when integrating a utility sense generator. So the smart circuits, nothing's really changed there. You know, we've got a double pole 50 and a double pole 80 to work with. Again, one of those you could turn into two single poles, but that's usually not relevant. You're usually just trying to pick two large autonomous loads like heating and air conditioning or a water heater to throw in those smart circuits module